We have to life. You say you have
Exactly.
almost
No, I think
Please
Tuffy can't go again.
report the argument. Alright, Skylar, stop.
Tuffy no, I don't
Report the argument because if you say you're stung or you're stall and get gunshot, it's not like that charging. Report that shit. Report that shit. You hear what I say to you? Say, me I'm going to see if you report it, you know.
And then no, me nah. I said no trade.
You see, miss, I know nobody has said nothing to the people. Them a come talk. See the people them a say them all use the battery. Please to leave a friend June alone, please.
battery. We're supposed to get battery. And
June is nice, exactly. June is nice. Why are you doing this?
I said June get battery.
No, them a search the girl. The girl got school.
Oh, them I said Tuffy said that. Said June used to get battery.
Tuffy get battery when she got school.
And them I say June I tell the people them that.
No, them a... Let me read the comment again. Jesus Christ, mighty God.
Oh, she said she used to get battery for her. For people have sympathy for her.
Tuffy used to get battery. You see, are the people... Jesus, Lord. Please leave me June alone. Please leave my June alone. Please leave my Dolly alone. She don't trouble nobody.
I'm for a picnic shop. Tell her picnic shop. Tell her I have chocolate. I have the local one. I want to be like 4 picnic shop. If that's not gonna with that tree. But tell her it's not her child. She too lies.
Yeah, the people them must say June she said get battery. Heard that.
What?
They look like she go over the live across June a class June.
Yeah, class me. I don't know nothing about me. I thought my man for true. Tuffy mine man for true. Yeah. Don't say the money got here.
And the first that ever come
my man for true.
No, the first that they said the June
tell about this man we want it, we're hungry. We are beg for them pitney of the man.
June shut your mouth.
Jeez. Somebody's name Karen said add me now. I don't know who that is, June.
Add the person, June. Make the person send a
We
request.
just don't want nothing to happen to me, June. Please leave my June alone.
Not a thing now to June.
Leave my June alone. She don't do nobody nothing. Yeah, somebody said she love
gamble.
Gamble. She used
Tally, our daughter. What thing? This is Richard, you look like him noir.
Hello?
Yeah, let's go.
Hello.
Yeah. Listen, but I know from day one, why them add that girl? Or if I have 3 picnic and I breed again, I have husband. But the girl fuck off. June to rub it out over the other side.
You're zero.
When them go battery, I don't give her no money.
When them say, well, she said when them did go battery June in a Tuffy Mada
our mother put up June.
Not no go so lie she telling. Not no go so.
Don't send no money go give her.
No go so.
Ignorant, but too ignorant for the first time to come from this
I'm dead from your pitney. I'm dead.
Tuffy, if you stop it,
when she just come from pussy like somebody comment and say a 3 picnic she have and I wanna make 4 she married. When she just come from the line. But just one lady just after the live I run her off look away. The woman here walk come, baby mother not look so. I'm too ignorant.
Oh, let's see what me say to her. I say, oh, you look so bad. Shit is like it's a storyline she used for everybody.
You need to go to the station because Jamaica run away now.
Yes, please, June. Before me start bawling, you know me like cry, please.
Never go, man. What's that?
Somebody said they might go back to Western Union for their moon for a thing.
I
just say go.
Me live in England. She can't get my money. I 5 picnic me have but 4 grand. Me not get she my money. She needs to go look at work.
Me say, Mama, when me hear the woman say she have a husband and the husband run left her and she did it. And you see the way the little boy check her. It's like
Mama tell her what she do.
Nobody does for herself.
Mama tell her what she do from day one. When she just come from Pussy Live, yeah. She said, Pussy tell her how to do the cash app. Yeah? And she said she asked either her son or somebody to do the cash app. And it's like she demands people money. She not ask for money properly. She like she demands for the money like she gives somebody something for put on. You understand? Foreign art just like Jamaica. Or if you have to pick and breed again.
Look boy, come from this so.
Foreign
Bro,
art.
it's not easy here, and that's what I said to her.
I wish they see her upon her life. She eat and she does eat and she know a big dirty plate and she does go on like a hog. You don't do but you can't beg and carry yourself like that.
What is her life? She live with her husband.
She used that creativeness there. Both are to get attention like
so me if mind your man and me they are foreign and fuck and not mind no man and me if you pick up a mind your man.
Well, me don't know if she mind man you know mummy. Me don't know.
Me don't know neither.
Me don't know in person, but her attitude. And if he's a baby mother, you're supposed to comb your ear a morning time. If you catch up, if you don't have no extension. Clean and make the people them
and
see.
son a cry for food. Well, when I make me start ball, me can't manage it, you know.
Me not get no strong girl my money. Too much old people in Jamaica will want it to go buy sugar and last and boy black
really
curry.
And truly needed for two. Really
me not get none of them my money.
Really and truly.
No, that woman here stress me. She stressed me right out.
When let me tell you something too. You see them, listen, let me tell you something. It's when them come on the live, them face you after.
On the live, Junior tell me come on for your other daughter. Your other daughter can tell you the truth.
Listen,
her daughter, your other daughter, but listen.
She have a daughter. No, me don't know if she on the live now. Me don't know if she watch it now.
But she her daughter, the woman say one picture she have plus the one now.
The woman told me she only had 2 kids by time.
Her first daughter is 18 and gonna be 19 this year. Our first
I tell her big daughter. Have a big daughter. You never tell her that.
He said me didn't know that other Junior she did I would have go up on the live and fix her, but me never know that Junior. When me come over, my sister June share me know that June, I go up on the live.
I don't know her good. She lie.
So if she pregnant for true now, this child gonna make 4 child.
The woman just start on the live there. She swear upon the baby, she swear upon her baby in her belly. She have 1 son and the one that she pregnant with. That's she just up on the live. She said she have 1 son and the one in her belly.
I'm on the phone.
Well,
just one lady from America just run around for the live.
Really and
Skylar,
truly,
do not do that to the wipes.
As the God up above, she give birth to 3 kids.
Me hear you pan me hear that diary them I say you look wild and the lady just run around for the live. As soon as I did them run off. She said she swear upon the baby in her belly. She said she swear on the baby in her belly and she swear upon her son.
No, you give birth to 3 kids. So if you give birth
that's
to 3
what
kids,
she said on the live. That it's 2 kids she have. And her son is going to Canada. And he's very smart. He won a spelling bee thing.
She said June to remember. She said June to remember say I done a town. She there. So I said people get gunshot at stop.
We care 0.
Give birth to 3 kids. That one never make
the girl says she not breed.
No, when she come on the live, she show her belly and them tell her to cover up her breast. She did show her belly on the live.
She could have at school.
Talia down there, you deaf?
She's down there?
Yeah, she's down with Nick.
You have Nicky number on your phone? Nick, Talia, call Nicky phone for me, Georgina.
Dora circle so.
Georgina, give me a call. Call Nicky for me. Give me Nicky number.
You come son.
Right, give me a call.
So why you gonna say all the 2 people here sweep on the baby in your belly or something?
She need to stop the lie. She need to stop it.
You will not say
that 1 pity she give birth, 1 pity she have, and that 1 was pregnant in her belly now. I'm gonna make okay. Our big daughter gonna be 19 this year.
She just started on the live.
Wow.
She just started on the live and the lady
come on the live and talk.
The lady just run around for the live. And she ready for start because the woman and the woman is a big woman.
No, she not get nothing.
Yeah. She take me on a one class, me.
I do check class. I say, June, I tell people not to send her the money because she take the money, man, and a good man.
She said the people in our community.
It run fast.
She said the people in our community that she bossy.
Murder.
She not even call my ear now. She just go in there and tell you.
Pull the phone back.
Work for me, baby.
Yeah, I 2 minutes. How much credit do you have?
Zero.
What's your class? Give me the key number. Catch your phone like
June needs to go to the station and go report because she up on the live and said that.
Then no. She can't say that no. Listen, know your name. Karen, she can't talk about me now. I'm my friend there. If going to reach me, if I'm going to watch Steve, I should send somebody. I'm more than one people here who just say it, and people like yourself going to reach me, I'm going to watch me.
25.
She's too out of order. I'm glad me never look on her when she just come on the live.
Me no want to hear what a man do and where a man do her. More than and me I tell Dora so Dora tell her the 50 like a one. Yeah, I feel her son for true. The two we are bigger. The two we there Jamaica not now go on. So why am I go back food out of your mouth? Me have my own platform, you know the way. Me have my own platform, you know the way.
I saw she said Tuffy come on the live with June.
And every time me dead.
Sure. If I June tell the lady say
yeah,
sending the money and them, so she says June. So I said the lady tell you say June, tell her. Cross this girl here. Advice me I get for Talia. Give me the key number, Judge.
Me no in a story. Me talk at the door there. Me just talk out of my mouth fruit and get money over lava.
Period.
Me not
Without you, you are part of the family.
Of course, me the party live with the night when June I get the money them over lava.
Yeah, when she get money, if my money man friend them come over there, me the party yo, June want a 2 bills, a bill, something, gonna send her something.
The first night June come for lava, everybody in the park, come in the planet.
So what you gonna talk say? Me not box up put up to your mouth, girl. Dora my friend. Dora my friend and me can talk to. I mean ask girl can be to I mean can be. You can't shoot me. I'm not afraid of you.
Miss, please, just for the look of $50, just leave my friend alone. She never said nothing to you about you. I swear on everything right now. This of me head a spin because this is uncalled
Yeah, but
for.
if June if June, you don't have to say about everything because if June is your friend, if you tell June tell us I don't get, you're not supposed to get, you're not wearing an obligation, you're not wearing a real life.
Yeah, but at the threatening part of fuck with me, you know, because Jamaica run different nowadays, you know. And June I have to sell for mine for her to pick them when she talk.
Yeah, then if June live at Jamaica, no Jamaica set up and she not go down at the station, that's not June business.
June go to the station,
station.
Me no want the up here here so somebody want to urge you over my look of $50. This don't make sense.
But me now go see her judge in the shop today, so.
That's very altered about you.
Yo, best! The woman want to show June in her face, best. It come like with smell, so she no real best. Me head hurt me. Best me head hurt me. Me can't believe this.
$50.
The same lady when we are talking about the baby, everything what she said was a lie. Then through the people them send me the information now. And me send it to Melissa. Like Melissa, she had trick way. When I need for help back, the people them say she get help all over the place.
I don't wear
I never say a June. And I never came say nothing to me. Best, she want
even last year ad post. No, I'm my friend named Post. Ad post.
She live in England. She live up on her life too.
Yeah, I'm my friend Adar.
Yeah, that's for your Adar.
Yeah.
Yeah, ad post. I post make she get the platform. She too out to add about threatening. big ass stink and mouth.
Yo, it's like I smelled it, homegirl. You hear me? I tell you, I smelled it. But listen to the live before I come on. I mean, I listen to her attack, but she not talk, so she do something for herself as a baby mother at Jamaica. I know all people act when them a baby mother at Jamaica.
But why are you hiding your kids? Why are you hiding your kids? Kids is the future. Why are you hiding your kids? They have 4 kids. They have 4
kids. She
kids.
rude.
Simple.
Nothing wrong with her. She's rude. She just want to be rude. I mean,
Yeah, because
she
the lady
want to take
talked
the
to
one
her
of
a
the
little while.
wives.
The lady talked to her a little while on the live. I suppose you hear the attitude. The woman run her off her live. So she come out, them take her off for the live. She's very rude. She don't know to beg.
And then Tugger said, nobody in a story with a girl.
She did it sound right for
two people me have. 2 people have a girl and a boy. I don't need to hide that. I mean, anything we have come on, you're going to me.
On the live. I'd put on the live too. Should I send her a request?
No.
Wait, Mama call her and tell her to go up on the live.
Boy, me head at June, please, Jesus Christ. Me can't believe this. Best, me can't add best. Add Fletcher girl. She was on the line. Add Fletcher girl. Cause she did that to her. Me.
No, Puss is the one who met the platform. Tell her how to make the platform. It's Puss live first to come from.
No, what I'm saying to you, Mama, is the platform today, she was on Melissa platform. It was 3 or 4 we attacked to her. It was me, Melissa, and Bess, and she on the panel. And we are reason with that because she attacked, but the argument now really make much sense to me. If you know, say, why y'all look like an extra poor thing? And when me I look on her, she don't look like an extra poor thing to me.
Even last week, one woman give her, one man gave her $60, $80, $80 US.
Woman said she gonna shoot my friend in her face and look at $50. We promise her we are also for her girl. Me can't take that there.
Me know say something never right about the lady.
Best you see.
I tell her up on the live, me say, you see, if you're lying, the truth gonna come out. Remember that me tell her?
Yeah.
I gonna come out, miss. How much pitney you have?
She said 2 best. Am I lying?
No, she just talk it on the live. She swear upon the one in her belly and her son right here. So she just say it on the live. I was on the live.
No, me don't take it for joke. But if this woman can create murder for $150. The woman said she got June sell a ton and she sell a ton and rare oh people will get gunshot in them face and nobody enough to say nothing.
No, June remember say them remember say them sit on a stall at Jamaica.
Live she reach. Oh God, I'm sorry for the picture them. She say her son got Canada, got spelling bee. Got Canada.
And she said she don't marry because I'm ask her upon the life so she don't marry. Me not get none of them my money. But look at work. Boy, you have 3 people and you still have a breed again of husband. Let them the money that for single parents, so not nobody.
Huh?
We don't see her. We don't see her. She in her next side.
She's too out of order. She don't have no
June.
Sky cry, so?
For nothing, because she a Yankee picnic, she want waste the wives like other thief the wives them. She want to take out the wives them so. Wives expensive.
Judy forgot the station.
I gotta go down there. I gotta go down there. I'm afraid of
Lady, stop. Supposed to know the girl in her real life. She was planning it with the girl. At the first. Do not trust post people. Listen, I'm not here for the mix-up and
no, this is one different story. I was here, guys. If you play bingo, follow me.
Yeah, this look like it gonna go somewhere else where me not in 10 feet for go and me not depend this mix up thing where me not depend.
No, listen to me. When she just come and Puss live, she said Puss must collect the money them for her. Puss said no, she's not doing it. Make your own platform. She said she don't know how to make the cash up. Puss tell her and the people on the live tell her how to make the cash up.
But I'm fine. Listen, Karen, I'm fine.
Come back and say she asked either her nephew or somebody said she asked to make the cash up fair. That's what she said on the live and she come back. Puss said when once you have the cash up, you make your own platform. That's all Puss said to her.
Boy, it rough people. Me not think me I gonna turn on my phone and do no such helping with nobody again, because if you are gonna threaten somebody when never say nothing bad about you, and you know all Jamaica run a woman are dead, like you're gonna say stuff like that.
But you
That's
remember,
Yeah, me I say, should me have different something. Look for me, I said, sure. What, no, me just going on my phone. Mrs. Maddie, Mrs. She even send me a text. Say, Maddie tell her, say, see, yeah, them send me cash up for her, and me no give her. So I say, me still get show too. I mean, never know,
Jesus
say,
Christ.
somebody send me never know, say, somebody send me cash up. Me no know who send $1 from her. Like,
No, it's serious with you.
make your own. And,
and she me I tell her, say, live, I put live first, she come, I put her up and tell her, oh, to do the cash up.
Okay.
Yeah, I
but
put live up. If you want to put the girl the money, I put tell her, no. Make your own cash up, and then she go back and come back and say, me not dance, but I ask people to do it, and then make the cash up.
no, she say her son, her little
Yeah.
son, make it for me. Let me just wake up and see, she say, this one, carrying me, I mean, answer to the seat there. To somebody say, them send money for cash up. I don't know what she talk about, because I don't collect $1 for this girl, because I no money problem, I no money with this little girl. Because I tell her, I say to her, say, stop being greedy. Don't ring down people. Me have people where send her $60, $100, $40.
You see, me just tell her that one man in America sell her $60. And she tell the man thanks. And she said, when I buy the things, I'm going to come and show you. And I know she don't show not much buy from the level, the money them she gets.
No one day she come on and show some little something. What me I said to her, at the same time me I said to her, because people are going to help you, they will help you.
Why me
It needed to get money. It needed to get.
Exactly.
No, God, that no. Oh, she been by man, I go shoot June in her face. So
Bro, she just said, man, I go come and shoot June in her face at her stall. That shit fucked me up, bro.
That's why
you trying to kill my friend.
Never say, so, that's why she said she about something.
She come from the line, come show two fingers, said the baby father, because everybody asked her, and what she do the baby father? She said she asked him for money to buy baby things, and him cut her. Man, now just cut you some food, I must fight to that fight, and she come with her two fingers, them, tape up.
Bro, the woman have me half of the life I'm come have. Ask Melissa, me I say, Melissa, me heart heavy. Fear, Jesus Christ, man, really wicked, you know. Oh, them boy, I do this. And me a ball, you know. And me I say, Melissa, me inbox I go crazy. Me I go read the message. And then me go in on my DM. You have some of my people, them depend. Hey, girl, Dora, if you ever, me depend. What if I ever what? Them said, don't send her no money. Me say, but the woman need money, me can raise a little thing for her for my weekend.
Yeah.
The people, them rob me. Them come again. Some other set of people come again and show me what she get. Tell me what she get. When PMP empower all them gear, oh, she have her own house, or she get this, or she get that. When she buy Matalan gift, 100,000 just because him help her and them things there. So if you get the help, leave the helping for somebody who don't have it.
But I was saying that last week.
Don't watch the filter picture them and feel like say we reach up on this blood clot. I went snow outside and we have to struggle for walking a blood clot snow. When still there, Jamaica can go to the neighbor and knock on the door and say, beg some sugar. We can't do that.
But she beg with attitude. It's not the begging is the problem. It's the attitude that she beg with.
She beg with attitude. I was saying that couple days I was saying Spice give her 200,000 the other day. No, she says she don't talk to Spice. She's on the live. She's watching right now. So she says Spice didn't give her any money. Spice money just said them are gonna give her money. Artist them are gonna give her, but
Mama, nobody not obligated to give them money. This is where we getting it fucked up, or you getting it fucked up. You're asking for help when you don't really need it. You're big chunk, big black girl. Get up and go look it for them.
Somebody said 250,000 she get from Spice. She couldn't lend me some more tight.
She said she the Spice manager don't call her back. She said that was she said. Spice manager don't call her back.
All right, but either way,
the people that may attack more. The people that may attack more.
That's what I say. That's what I say today when I hear her voice note today. No, when I saw her on the live today, and she was saying, "Oh, people remember say." And you like she upset, so upset. Say people block her, and people remember say everybody have them time, and that. I would say to myself, say, but the thing say our attitude to anybody can call you and then block you. They don't owe you nothing, and then she speak like she when people are trying to convince her, she speak and saying people have it hard. They talk to the people in my foreign have it hard and this and that. If she know that, but end of the day, I mean, I say, but she never got friends, so she know that.
No, because we are not in that reason post. Listen, she came on the live and Melissa live. I was listening before I joined the live. As I'm listening to her, as a mother, and you're there at Jamaica, me and say, even if you're pregnant, you can't just sit down in the house and you're picking on no food. You must have a little hustle. Me say to her, say, so you can't date a big gel and sell it $500 a bag or $100 a bag. What you can do? She says she can't do it. Me say too much people in your neighborhood, you can't start do them here. Do a little hustle for put money in your pocket. Don't just depend on baby father. And so we are talking to her, you know. Me and my two friends on the live reasoning with her. We reason with her. We not rich. Nobody not post. Nobody over here where you see on social media post. None of we not rich.
True, because rich people don't have time for them on social media.
Rich people don't have time to do this post. But if I'm on my platform and I can help somebody and I can try to make my friend them help somebody, I will do it. But I don't want to try to help somebody who don't need help and them and lie me. If me not mind the man them will fuck me a foreign, I can mind your man mama.
But under that, she attack as if like a somebody, June or somebody hold the argument and somebody tell about she. Why you stick up on June so much?
And I say I mean do it. I say I mean do it.
Skylar, don't put nothing around
you know what
live June.
It look like you were door restart back the life and nothing can come on my phone. But the restart back the life no door expensive. She a phone because people are coming out in and tell her one bag or something. So to me start my own life now and I talk to my friend that I Nelly. I mean I ask her to know she a breed before. And then I said him no know one that a film business and and then him go say I have to tell him to she a breed. But not more that you come up on the live now, and of course, me in the corner tell me, oh, Peter Phillips get phone, like me didn't want Peter Phillips get money. Oh, she mine, man. Oh, no boy, miss. You know, boy, yo.
Junior, go down at the station, I tell you, because church is an elevating.
Of course.
And then the people them say, "Ah, man, a bad man. He run corner. Me, June, please. Me no want nobody get hurt over this. This not even have to go so far, dog. It's not even that serious, dog.
You know why
is this going this way?
In our dirty story.
Yeah, but that is going too far for you, Dora. And she don't need to fix. And today she was so upset that somebody block her. And she already call her and she them talk and then she call them back and she block them when she had them.
No. She said somebody tell her to go down to one place. I don't know if I go collect money I want. I went to reach down there and I ring the person block her. Because she was just on the live and I say it.
Because probably the person get DMs like how I just got a DM because this is what she do on everybody live.
But Barry, did I tell her to stop go live? Did I tell her I say I know you alone need help. So if you go on one platform and people help you, leave it. And I was even saying that to her, make somebody else's help. It's only for people need help. So if somebody else will help you at this, somebody else need help too. You can't
That's all I was saying. I said when she attack, Melissa and the coach, best I drive probably go work and me go and buy a barrel in a rain, in a cold weather. So I say, Mama, forget my $50 now. Me have to know something more, you know. What you do for help yourself? Ask the people, them nobody now come to us. We was just talking as 3 single mothers on a live or 4 single mothers on a live.
Them say,
We
I
was just
think
talking that real. We never
she
had
said,
a
I
bash
think she got help.
nothing.
Me not busy with them. Me know what about the car. Me ain't coming out calling him. Me now box no food out of your mouth.
Oh my God, I feel so
Oh
bad.
gosh,
I'm going to take off when I want to tell you.
Yeah.
Not take off and post.
Me so,
But I'm tell you
so,
some request.
Talia is our daughter.
Yeah. Toto send me. Now I got Toto.
Good. Mommy,
Now I
stop
Toto.
before you make the belt buckle lick me in my eye. No, Skylar, just stop.
Up and alive, I have to take and
Now that today.
in June, I said June college. And I said, man, and she there with gunman and
Real preppy for true.
I said, the lady tell her.
Skylar, I'm on the phone. You're making too much noise. Stop.
The lady said, June, I said, tell her to send
Wow, a baby that cute too.
one child. She not say her first child. Just a text, but you can just tell him, say, you are daughter.
Yeah, now come.
Come now.
Oh, yes. Now come to your sir.
Just say,
You're not getting involved. Me just want to know what
Yes,
going.
sir.
We are trying to help her. And she want to shoot my
Yeah?
phone in her face. This can't go
Oh, me
on.
not have it.
But
You
put
live
to
it. You
the
live it.
daughter.
Yeah, go
Don't
ahead.
take camera where you want me go all over.
You're not go all over. We'll talk with her.
Shout out to them. Our first time.
No, June, and me, I June, like, don't start.
We don't go down till I have to admit.
Start the time. You need to go away.
Hello? Alright,
Hello?
hello? Good night.
Hello? Just your
Thank
voice
you,
to
guys.
show.
Hi.
Hi, good
Hi.
night.
Hello.
Your mom?
Listen before you talk. Listen before you talk. Listen,
Yeah.
I'm Terry daughter, right? Me are the oldest one, the 18-year-old.
Yeah.
Soon be 19. Alright. So
Now come.
she be known as Tuffy in the streets. Yeah.
Yeah.
My right name is Terry Hamilton, but she be known as Tuffy. Alright.
Yeah.
You see, from 4 months old, she leave me and uncared. Yeah.
What you know now?
So me a witness and me a proof. I'm not need to tell no lie. So from me a 4 months old,
Yeah,
and
what's up with food?
you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Shut up, no man. Sure.
So anyway, sorry about
But
that.
you make no problem.
Yeah, sorry about that. That's okay. That's all right. Okay. So listen. So my great grandmother take me, right? That is my father, granny. That says my father. Mother says my father, grandmother. So she take me. Recently she gets old now and shaky. So she 92 now. When she get up in the 80s, she passed me over to my grand auntie. That is my mother auntie. So it's my grand auntie. So when I stayed with me at 5 and she grew me and she take care of me, which is she couldn't do no more because she never had the a man, not her husband, a man to help her no more with no money because the man passed away. One man used to give her money and them something she passed, so she couldn't do no more, right? So anyways, she couldn't do no more. So my mother decided, my auntie decided to go to my mother and have a conversation, which is she's somebody what you cannot talk with. She like up here, so she not get the kind of, and I don't know why she keep doing these things like going around to people, asking people for this and people for that, and she not take the money doing valuable things.
Oh my God.
So
What's your favorite art?
me a struggle for God school right now. My nana, mother, my auntie, I fear help me. Not even my auntie, is my cousin. It's not even my auntie, it's my cousin. She named Nikki, and she sometimes she help me. And sometimes me have to them will give me and them something there. And him sister, me and him sister move good. Georgina and Toto, so me and them good.
So how much are you like she had? How much kids she have in all?
Eh?
How much kids she have?
In all, she have 3. And she pregnant now.
But she just swear on the life says, I swear on the baby in my belly, I swear on this one, and I swear to Almighty God that all of her hand for the life because the only thing she have.
Please, the money I'm valuable right now. As a mother is a man she value right now. Man to value. Man a gold like diamond and ruby and a pearl going to. A man. Imagine Spice. Yeah, I told me can't get to Spice and I just say lower. Come would have tell Spice what she go away. But and she go to people but she buy new furniture. Miss me can go lick off her lock right now because she not done there. You know my uncle yard to live. My uncle never like her. My uncle never rent her nowhere. She
Yo,
has
my
to
heart I give women not like.
Miss, my understand.
No, man.
Miss,
That
my
woman
father.
are wicked, man.
Miss,
No,
listener.
sir.
Miss, listener. My father, uncle, they ever like her. My father, uncle, they ever rent her nowhere. And they ever rent her man nowhere. It's the man, it's our man needs him rent. And listen, the niece move out and she shall give the uncle the room and him for take over and pay the rent. Which is the man not paying the rent, she pay the rent for your man.
Alright, nobody don't know, and nobody let them come hurt you.
Boy, uno work for me, boy. Purple Star, me glad you joined them working on me, boy. Me can't take no more, boy. No, sir.
Oh, you're balling a Dora.
Miss,
No,
they would even like
man.
me. Miss,
Too
I know.
fucking wicked for
Miss,
two.
I'm gonna tell you something, Miss. Miss, I'm gonna
Yes.
tell you something. You see, every Monday in our new month, me have to go
And
doctor.
Perry, me I go get her information. Me not send her mother no money, mama. You we are send her thing. No worry, say me just make sure say you get my social
Miss,
media and you DM me. Whatever
Miss,
money she did I go get, she not get that.
Miss, listen. Thank you in advance, but Miss, I'm gonna tell you something. I'm be honest with you. You see, every Monday in our new month, I forgot that some can show you card, proof, and everything. Right, Miss, a CDA appear for my safety subject. Miss, me go to disrespect at school. I go to disrespect at school for pay my safety subject. Because it never pay, and like, the exam coordinator act up on a guan. She don't deal with CDA students and them something. But to show you, and in a liar mode, you just have to hold it like a G. And just take time and slide it on. Now, man, miss are the best of me, you know, as I tell you, my chain. I'm just
The live I got done. The live I got done. Me soon restart it. But I got put on my right.
As I say,
I got put on my right. I got put on my right. Papa, my son, I'm gonna restart it. I got done.
I need your information. I need your information. Me I go turn on my platform and make you get some.
I don't want to hear nothing from nobody. Me no want to hear nothing from nobody. Me no want to hear about no local girl. Me no want to hear about nobody. Me no want to hear about no blood clot local girl. Me no want to hear about her. Anybody who know me can tell my tales and tell my story. Me no want to hear about nobody blood about myself, my picnic to liar. I be a liar story. She lie like show. She lie but not cry. She make una cry in vain. She make una cry in vain. Me can't bring it to everybody. Everybody me can't bring it. This is a talk about right now. This is a talk about. Toto and June will bring her on live. Toto and June will bring her on live. I don't give a flying fuck. That girl nearly make man kill me, so me not like her. So that's why me not own her. Me not like her, that's why me not own her. Me not like her, me eat her like poison. You know how much things should do me? I'll Toto and June them know how much things should do me. Me not like her. That's why me not own her, me not like her. You have some pitney and them wicked tear, me not want her. I just my son me I deal with and the one in my belly. Me not like her. That's why me not own her, a blood clot. What me I own her for? What me I own her for? What me I own her for? Me not like her. She for go. I walk a tell lie upon me, but CDA, I send her to school and I go pay for subject, it a lie itself. When I can't go and go send her no money. CDA, nah, send her got no school. I lie she tell about CDA, I send her go school. CDA, I send her go with school. Me can't let 4 months old baby pan left her. Me can't let 4 months baby pan cat. Me can't let 4 months baby pan cat. It a liar wicked self. But let 4 months baby pan cat. You bright. But let 4 months baby pan cat. But let 4 months baby pan cat. Yeah, alright. Why she ask Dora if me pregnant and she see me with my big belly coming from clinic when me do my ultrasound? When me do my ultrasound, and she asked me what kind of baby me gonna have, me say boy. She asked me what kind of baby me gonna have, me say boy. You understand? What? Me not tell a lie, it's just she. Let me tell you something. Long time, Diary, let me tell you something. Which family live, nobody not too like me. Cause them say my height, and my height tight and go like me better than people. But you know me on social media, I beg now, they want to bring me down. And I talk about lion and I talk for picking me up. Jesus, Father God, me know where them come from me dad. So I leave everything in God's hands. Why when I go up on the live and I talk, I'll be a cut, she'll cut me off. All the youth I tell her when you Toto say, make me hear her story, make me hear her side, she'll cut me off. Why you cut me off? Why she'll cut me off? Why she'll cut me off? Why she'll cut me off? No go up on her live, why she'll cut me off? You know for cut me off? If you know you're not guilty or something, you don't cut off the person, you talk and say, Ray, and me, and this and that, and down in my heart, anything my mind tell me, about the 18th of August, anything my mind tell me, I say it go.
Oh, yeah, Leo. But.
See, somebody I said, lady, stay off of social media, because social media is not the right place.
But well, like baby mother, Terry. If you tell me that's certain,
Yeah?
if you tell me that's certain, most of the people that might get it here. But me here say, bring the people your money and but
listen up, when me get the money, you know, somebody something in diary and sure no.
After she going all over the social
Mama tell us.
That's why you go all over social media, babe.
Alright, diary. Now go tell us something as a sister to a sister. You know why? Some of the people them diary inbox me and tell me say I forgot South Camp Road. Where's the nearest post office to me? When I go around there and come back, them block me off of them WhatsApp. Some say them people here send me we out there so. We out there so me and my son walk go. We out there so when I come back you know block me. That is embarrassment. You understand?
Yeah.
And Diary is June do it. Is she do it a shot and she don't want to add me upon her life. Come here, say, let me tell you something. You say if me did not tell lie, Diary, I would go for other upon the life. Come and know say she. The know she do it. Nobody can. Shall I say me there with bad man and all this and I'm married to bad man. Me not take bad man. Because when them come to blood clot kill you, you're not dead with them too. So me not take bad man.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God.
Me not like them something them man. And and all the youth tell her, say, Junior shouldn't go do that. And she laugh. You can't see the guiltiness on her. You can't see guiltiness on her. And she do it. If she do it, Diary, because you should have want me get the help. If she do it, and I tell lie. But me there with bad man and me have 4 people and me have this and me have that. She for stop tell lie. That's I'm going there now. I'm going. I'm saying, Jude, why you do me that? Why you do that? You not for do them something to people.
Them said Dora is talking now and she's saying it's not true.
Listen to me. Nobody not gotta give away them whistling bird. Cause somebody tell me something me never come on social media and says that she got somebody there with bad man. So then they want about the earth. So they never come on social media and talk that Diary.
Oh my God.
And I make me look like, you know what she make me look like? Like me a scammer and like me a liar. And like me a tell Diary. Yeah? Yeah, because she make me look like me a liar. And make me look like me a tell lie and look like me a scam people. I'm gonna lie them something that you don't do that to people. You don't do that to people. None of you know to tell mistake. None of you know to tell me say go do me ear, because my friend have a break me ear tomorrow. So none of you know to come on social media, come tell me say go do me ear, that end tomorrow. That is end tomorrow. And we don't like that, June. Yeah, alright. Now I say something to you, Dari. If me did not tell lie.
We now got to hear too much chatting, make sure talk.
She will be
Lad Melissa Lavish, giant to the light now.
Listen to me. Hello, listen to me. Alright, listen to me. Dari. I want to listen to me now, Dari. This thing here get to me now. This thing here I get to me now. And I want thing never say I'm come off of social media now. Alright, me don't want nobody help me. I will seek out a way to get my baby stuff then. Because if me go on the live, and say Melissa lavish me. Bring on the people them what tell you say. Tell you Melissa lavish and Dora say me as scammer there with bad man. Bring them on the phone right now. Make we sort out this in the air. Cause me know me in my heart, me know me not tell no lie. Me escape and me picking on my belly and my son. Me not tell no lie. And God know me not tell no lie. God know me not tell no lie. Me Terran Squad not tell no lie. Me know me not tell no lie. Me know me not tell no lie. But me leave all vengeance to God. Guess what you do me? Somebody else have a deal wickeder. I never read Psalms 91 for June, because she do it. Me not ask you about the 18th of August, me and Leo. I'm Leo people are born to suffer.
Oh my God.
When one door lock, many are open. And she got tell lie, all kind of lie, but me there with gunman. Me if you got take gunman, you mad? You crazy? Me not mind man. Me not come see my mother and mind no man. Me come see my mother, me come see man and mind my mother. Me not buy when my mother got a market, me buy when she come back from market. And June do it, June, where the diary man said.
She never said she directed like June said she threatened her, say she would make gunshot big June in her head. Some like that, some stuff like that. I don't know what Bruh, I don't like this, bro. June ain't even do nothing, bro. Y'all going far with this shit, bro.
I know business. At the last.
Our diary.
No, family, you're up here.
So you tell June say you will make man shoot her?
No, I never won that argument and I can't play about the lies. It's like she tell June wicked and lie, you know. And June for member say when the man them round a spoilers did I go batch her and my mother she come sleeping and when them usually beat her when she usually go Ellis primary with my sister and the man them usually want batch her and fuck her up. My mother take her in. She remember them something there.
But
why she don't want to
yourself and you're so strong. It's better you would have find a little some day's work. You're too strong to help. You just
No. Listen to me now. I don't want to offend nobody, and I done with this thing, yeah, because this thing is out of hand.
You get enough, then if you have go around, so you get enough. You don't need to stop it. When you have one picnic and it's all right, but when you have 2 and 3 and 4, and then you come a big. Come on. There you need to stop though.
This you know about me for stop. When me I walk on the door. You see me I walk on something?
I want to see me attack, my love. But I don't know
you don't know nothing about me. You must stop it. You don't do that.
Enough and I beg you, beg. Come on. Every day you come, you never comb your ear. You really look like a scammer to chew.
Me not scam your house, though. Me not scam your jars or your oven. Woman, leave me alone. Come here and take me right now. Leave me alone. You and June want to roll along in a barrel. Leave me alone, miss. You
will roll in a barrel quicker than me.
You don't know if me show some.
Yes, it's a scammer. Come on, when you come on social media, when you go grind and get to the picnic them and come on social media and turn trouble to people. Where? Just cut her off and make you go and go back. You can't talk to people. You look like you want to cover. Boy, you know, see from where when you say me there, you know, see me come off alive. Them go away. You know, them a cuss you say you know no picnic, so them want you breathe up and come back too. Move. She beg and have so much and so hype and a go on and want to trace people. But she come off of social media, she get enough. There myself is stop it.
What to do?
You have to stop it, but you beg for people. If I'm here alone, hey. She look at she to know so she pregnant. Me not take not either she to know she pregnant. She come, she cuss people. I'm not tell the girl about her, that's why people sit down at them style and dead.
and all them things them, and I beg, yeah, beg. You're too, yeah, beg and so strong. Move! Come on, don't come back over here. You know, she come every day. She never to be able mother. You never pick up your ear in a one after. She just want to look distressful.
And it's sorry for me, look.
Yeah, I'm more, she want candy for their baby godmother. Move and go from over here. Hey, from a day, me fear it born, me fear it, man. It born, me fear these girls. Then I prefer gay a little youth and try to make him go rob and kill nobody. None of them will breed up like the lily in a gutter water and I get $1 from me. And then she come, you know what she come, right? She asked to help, but she just a go on, so she just a go on and a go off and she come on already. Me hear she tell Diary about, Diary, if you don't want to pray, get off with our bright self. Do not come back over here, girl. From that day already, see you. Go roll in a barrel. Yeah, I thought me after she come from the life, when you get me say Diary. You see from where there when she come about, she read Bible and I tell about it. Diary, she don't want to hear, get off the life with her bright self. And you well come off and hang up the girl. Oh. Born me fear, man. Don't come back over this life. Don't come back over here, girl. You come off of social media because you're getting no.
Baby mother when they pan the live, who knows if she block you?
Oh, so Tisha black people from with our bright self.
Oh, I know. Baby, she get kicked off.
Yeah, so the more she black because I me no black God bless. No more she and you and Diary, so more she yeah, she got some of it true as yeah. Do you know we know that you know see the girl alright. Yeah, baby mother you know. Anytime she come on the live that she know I hear no poem. What kind of baby mother that? When you get up you're supposed to be and poem you hear yeah? No, boy, I wish one of the June shot but June will get one shot. She will get it before.
Rosealee June, Rosealee Barbie.
We never know them really, you know. You see what me say she from where the me say from where the me Egypt you see from the day she come tell Diary about come off. Me say from that day that me say I heat up myself. Cause she bright man, she too bright. Where? Not over here. The old man over here. Oh. How much how to spend money? Hey, underneath the staff.
US cost all of this. Lord God, 50 US cost all of this.
She collect over